awesome trucks here. We're at the truck jam that is in Gainsville, Georgia, and being held at the AMD Auto Metal Direct warehouse in Gainesville, and I am just blown away. There's so many really cool trucks here, and I am going to be interviewing the guy that put this together, and he is right over here.
It's 2 seconds.
That guy right there in the background with the cool AMD shirt on, that is Eddie Sabrecco. So Eddie, tell us what's the show all about here.
All right, so trucks have taken over, man. As much as I travel, I see we've gone to Good Guys, gone to NSRA, and the trucks are taking over. So us here at Auto Metal Direct, we do a bunch of truck parts. So I wanted to make sure that we did our meet, but I wanted to theme them this year. So I want to do an all truck one. We have a low rider one, we have different ones, but this is just all trucks. Everything benefits the Eddie Bear Foundation, which me and my wife started in West Palm 7 years ago. We collect the stuffed animals, that's the only thing. The owner of AMD wanted to support the CHOA, which is a local children's hospital, so he paid for everything, awards, flyers, everything. Everybody just brings a new unwrapped stuffed animal. We take it to the children's hospital. One gentleman got with his wife and their co-workers, and they brought 200 stuffed animals, just those two people. Then we've got a square body up front, overflowing, and then I've got 3 more garbage bags that I already filled from earlier this morning. So I'm gonna have 12, 13 like outdoor, like tall garbage bags, and we put them all in there to keep them nice, safe, and clean, and then they go to the children's hospital.
Eddie,
that's for sure.
I appreciate you talking with us, and
thank you, man. Guys, you're watching Revin TV. Stay tuned. You got the cool coverage already. There's a lot more to come. Revin TV. Stay tuned.
Hey everybody, we're at the Truck Jam. I'm Doug from Revin TV, and we are checking out so many cool trucks in this place that you're gonna have a problem handling it all. And one of the coolest trucks that we've seen here is this one, which is a beautiful Ford 66, and the guy that built it is right over here. And what's your name, sir?
My name is Jamie Mays.
Damon, tell me about the truck and well, first of all, how did it start out? You said that it was a customer, right?
He's a customer. He's a local guy to the shop. Known him for years. He said, I have the truck. I've owned it since mid-80s. He bought the truck from a guy. It's been sitting in his building ever since. He hasn't driven it much.
And he wanted to take it beyond the work truck.
Yes, he wanted to take it beyond the work truck.
And so what's the name of your shop?
Mays Coat Customs.
And you are located in?
Toccoa, Georgia.
Toccoa.
Yeah.
Nice little town.
Yes, it is.
So first off, what's the main thing that you did to the truck?
We put the truck on a Fat Man Fab chassis. He wanted to go with a 351, but still wanted fuel injection, so we put the Holley HP fuel injection with a high ram intake on it.
That's gorgeous. And you did all the polishing?
Yes, we did.
So it's a stock motor?
No, it's not a stock motor. It was built by Maloof Racing Engines.
I know the Maloof people. Yeah. Good guys.
Yep, it's upper 4s, low 5s to the rear tire. It's a pretty peppy little engine.
And like, what else? What's like the fuel injection? What brand is that?
It's Holley EFI. It's the Holley HP. It's with the high ram there.
Right. And then you did. You have the ram air or the air filter
system?
system?
We did all the air filter system there. It's custom.
Beautiful. And so you said it was a Fat Man chassis.
Fat Man chassis.
And what kind of wheels are these?
They're built specialty wheels. Custom.
What sizes are they?
They're 18s on the front, 19s on the back.
And now inside, you have a completely different setup. And it's like bucket seats, but
bucket seats.
The console that you added, right?
Yes, and it was all done by 626 Upholstery in Baldwin, Georgia.
And the dashboard, what have you done there?
The dash, I took the factory bezel and I modified it for a universal Dakota Digital just to change things up a little bit.
And that's beautiful. And then you have in the console a monitor for...
That's the radio.
Oh, that's the radio? Is there like a backup camera or anything?
There is not,
No.
but it does have the DVD player and everything in it.
Oh, it's gorgeous. So coming back here, now you did mini tubs?
We modified the factory tubs, but they are wider than 2 inches wider than stock. And if you look in the bed here, we tapered the bed where you could hide
Oh, yeah. Show me that again.
See right here, we hid the inside of the bed where it's open.
So there's no, you
but-
can't get under with your fingers.
Right.
And then smoothed it all out.
Right.
How about on the tailgate? Is that stock?
Tailgate's pretty stock. We did do away with the chrome around the taillights,
Yeah.
and we tucked the rear bumper, and then the Gainsville, split down Gainsville there.
Love it. The old style, huh? Because weren't they on the side of the cab?
They were on the side of the cab
Yeah.
originally, yes sir.
That's very nice. And then now in the back, underneath this is you said the Fat Man. What's unique about the chassis?
It's a full custom chassis. It's on coilovers, 4-link rear, tubular control arms on the front, Mustang 2 style front. Rear end is narrowed 3.5, 4 inches. I can't remember exact measurement, but to get the big wide tires on the back.
That's beautiful. And now the body, you removed the chrome.
We did remove the factory chrome, yes sir.
And what else is unique about that?
It's pretty custom. I mean, it's pretty well factory body. We did do away with the lines on the back right here, and then the lines on the back of the cab, the factory body lines. We did away with those. They're welded up and cleaned up some.
Yeah, I always love this cab style because they have like a built-in spoiler.
They do,
They
yes
came
sir.
that way. And some people go, "Did you do that?" I'm like, nope, that's the way it was. So tell me anything else that you did. First of all, what color is the paint?
It is a custom color. Started out with a color off of a newer Kia car, and then modified it a little bit just to make it a little bit different.
And then any interior mods that you might have done that are...
The door panels are custom. The interior is pretty much all custom. Has vintage air, a full console, of course the custom gauge bezel there.
Right, and then the seats are done with real leather, but what kind of leather is that?
I'm not sure he done that.
Is it like a certain color? Because I see you somewhat matched it to the dashboard.
They are matched with the dashboard, but
Yeah.
I don't know the exact color name.
Love the little vents under here for the air conditioning
Yes.
too. It's just gorgeous. So, wow, amazing, beautiful truck.
Thank you.
Beautiful truck. I'm sure the owner is just tickled pink about
Yes,
what
he
you
is.
did for it.
He loves it.
That's what you aim for.
That is right.
All right, sir. I appreciate your time.
Oh yes, thank you.
And what else are we going to do here at the show today?
We're gonna look at a bunch of trucks.
That's the way to go.
That's right.
All right, we'll catch you on the next one.
All right.